I analyzed 100 discovery calls and found the real reason why your clients are ghosting you after the call. I currently have 53 clients and analyzed all of their sales calls last week. In fact, they converted 41% of the calls where people immediately paid on the call. 36% declined on the call and 23% ghosted them post the call, which is the real problem I want to discuss here and give you at the end a script that you can follow so you can avoid being ghosted from your clients. Because getting no's is not the problem. Getting yes is the ideal outcome here, but the real problem is why clients are ghosting you. From this 23 calls that my clients got ghosted from their prospects, 34% of them said that they were not sure what they will actually get working with them as coaches. 27% said that they didn't know about the background of the coach, therefore they didn't trust the coach. The other 21% felt that this is a sales call, not a real conversation. The 80% were not sure about the results and if they were even realistic. And just only 80% said that the price was the primary reason. And we can see that the problem with these people being ghosted comes from neglecting these three Islamic filters. The first one is the amana. The thing that your prospects are asking themselves is, can I trust this coach with my money and my struggles? The second one is sidq, which is people considering if your results claims are even truthful. Because a lot of people promise the moon and deliver nothing. And of course, the last concern that your prospect has, based on the data, is shared values. They ask themselves if you as a coach understand their deen and their constraints. These three things are the problems and the thing that you haven't answered throughout the call, which is why these prospects are ghosting you. And let me give you a better script that you can follow. First and foremost, start each call with a rapport where you have small talk and you share the context with your clients. Then you go with the problem explanation just to understand what is their current pain point. And you can see here in the graphic, every sales script has this, and the Islamic edition here just to include your constraints about this being halal, about their family. Just include the concerns that Muslims have before working with you. Then after you speak about their pain, you speak about the dream state, and what almost every sales script miss for Muslim coaches specifically is the amana disclosure, which basically happens before the price is mentioned. You literally explain everything, the limitations, the conditions. You leave nothing on the table. The whole idea behind you following scripts as Muslim coaches and doing any sort of selling is to give the full information for your clients so they can make an informed decision. And that's what most of the sales scripts don't have because they follow any haram pressure tactics. Then when you explain everything, mention the price, which is the fifth thing. After the price is mentioned, do the sit check, which is basically to see if everything is clear from your prospects, if they understood everything, the conditions, how everything will work, and how confident they are in the product. And then you basically close them. You either get no or you get yes and enroll them as clients. That's what the data says after me analyzing this 100 sales calls last week. In order for you to fix them, follow this. And if you want to see if your business is aligned to receive Baraka and attract halal high-ticket clients, take the free Baraka business quiz by clicking the first link in the description.